are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today, first of all, I want to thank you so much because we just reached 10,000 subscribers in this channel, and I'm so happy and so excited and so grateful. I want to thank you for all the people that's been following me since I started, and also to all the new people that has been here. Thank you so much for watching my videos and following me. I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hitting the notification bell so YouTube can let you know whenever I upload a new video. But without further ado, in this video I want to show you a few options on how to style a bodysuit. That is this one that I'm wearing today. I got it at H&M and it was just like $10 or something like that. The bodysuits are very trendy right now. You can find them pretty much anywhere. And this one is particularly very pretty because it's like lace, and then it has this like heart shape, like silhouette, neckline, whatever you want to call it. And there is plenty of ways on how to style them, but today I'm gonna show you 4. And it's been a while since I did a outfit video, and also New York Fashion Week starts today here in New York City, so I thought this was like the perfect idea. And also it can give you ideas for Valentine's Day for outfits. And I really hope that you enjoy this video, so if you want to see how I style this bodysuit in 4 different ways, please keep watching this video. all the ideas that I have for you on how to style this black bodysuit. It doesn't have to be black, it can be any color, and you can get super creative. You can use whatever pieces you already have on your wardrobe. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and help me sharing it with all your loved ones. It really helps me a lot. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not subscribed, please don't hesitate on clicking that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. And once again, thank you very much to all the people that has been following me and that helped me reach this milestone. All of this is for you guys, so I really appreciate your support. For me, has been a pleasure to being here with you today as always, and I will see you very soon. Bye!